right next to the sea captain's house, there's this interesting green space. If you look closely at it, it's AstroTurf. It's just there so emergency vehicles can get to the beach. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I was in town and I heard that a sea lion had washed up on shore injured, and I wasn't too far from it at the time, so I zipped down there to take a look. Over yonder, that crowd of people right there, with a bunch of City of Myrtle Beach officers protecting the sea lion. Let's take a walk over there along the fairly calm waters of December and get a closer look at the sea lion, see if it's okay, and maybe talk to an officer or the news, because there are some news people here, and see what's going on. Let's go. This is 31st Avenue North, if you were wondering. I spoke to one of the police officers that was protecting the sea lion, and they said that there was an animal rescue group coming to pick up the sea lion, and the plan was to take it down to Charleston, make sure it's healthy, and then release it. At the time that I visited Mr. Sea Lion, or Mrs. Sea Lion, it was breathing. It seemed comfortable, just kind of looking around, tired. The thought at the moment, according to the Myrtle Beach police, is that it was injured and it was just kind of giving up. So hopefully the animal hospital can do their thing and Mr. or Mrs. Sea Lion will be re-released in the near future.